Hey guys, today we are making a healthy avocado on toast on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. This can be a snack or a breakfast, so let's get started on how to prepare this. So here we have an avocado, as you can see, so we're just taking off the end, so that's how you know it's ripe if it comes off easily. And now we're just going to cut round our avocado, just round it, and then twist it to take out the seed in the centre. Take it out as best as you can. And now we're just going to get a spoon and scoop out the pulp of our avocado and dispose the skin, as we do not need that bit. Now we're just going to cut our avocado into slices. Avocado has vitamin E, which is good for hair, and it has just general health benefits. Just cut them into slices. And now we have a boiled egg. We're just going to cut that into slices. Eggs have protein, which is just good for diet. In fact, it's vital for a diet. And now we have a toast, piece of toast. We have a video on how to make homemade bread. It's freshly made bread, and everyone likes fresh bread because it smells nice and it tastes nice. So check out that in the link in the description. And now we're just placing our boiled eggs on top. And finally, on top of that, we're squeezing some lemon juice, for that extra bit of tanginess and flavour. And we're doing the same to another piece of toast. You can make as how many you want, it's up to you. And add lemon juice for a bit of tanginess. And as you can see, it's done. So we place some bit of dates at the side. You can place any fruits or berries or anything you want at the side with it and enjoy it. So please make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.